Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone and AirPods Pro 2 are updated. This avoids compatibility problems. Next, pair the AirPods and enable microphone permissions so audio can route from phone to buds. Open the Translate app and pick source and target languages. Do this now so you avoid switching mid-conversation. Once done, turn on Live Listen if you need a directional mic feed. Make sure noise control is set to transparency for natural ambient sound while translating. You now configure the conversation flow. Launch Translate and enter conversation mode so both sides are handled automatically. Tap the microphone when speaking or enable auto detect if you want hands-free operation. This captures phrases and sends them through AirPods. Position your iPhone close to the other speaker for best pickup and make sure AirPods volume is comfortable. Once the app transcribes, it will speak translations into your AirPods. Adjust noise control to transparency or off to balance environmental cues with clarity. You finish by ending the conversation in the Translate app, and if privacy is required, unpair or forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings. If you notice lag or missed words, first lower Bluetooth congestion by closing background audio apps and toggling Bluetooth. That often restores real-time performance. For persistent audio or mic problems, reset the AirPods by holding the case button and reconnect, or restart your iPhone. One quick troubleshooting tip: move the iPhone nearer to the speaker to improve microphone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.